Good morning to all. Myself Dr. Rajlakshmi from Department of Microbiology. Today we are going to discuss about extremophiles. So this is one of the topic from marine microbiology. So what is mean by extremophiles? Organisms mainly found living in the extreme harsh environments. So this word first derived from Greek extremus plus phyla, so which means extreme loving. So that's why generally we are call it as extremophiles. So these includes thermophiles, hyperthermophiles, thermoacidophiles, alkaliphiles, psychrophiles, halophiles, barophiles, radiation resistant bacteria. So these categories comes under the extremophiles category. So coming to the definition of extremophiles, so organisms lives in physically or geochemically extreme environmental conditions. That's why we are call it as extremophiles. So in other words, extremophiles is microorganisms. So archaean bacteria comes under this category. So most archaean bacteria come to this category. So how to survive these organisms mainly in the extreme conditions means enzymes. So specialized enzymes influence the high temperature, high pH, salinity. So extreme conditions are favorable for the microbial growth. So this is a very important enzyme for industrial applications. So these enzymes very useful in the pharmaceuticals product preparations also. So what are the environmental conditions are available in the extremophiles means first one is the temperature, pH, salinity, nutritional scarcity, absence of oxygen, radiation and pressure. These are the certain conditions. So the extremophiles can able to adapt these conditions. So these are the some example of environmental conditions. So one is the water activity, pH, temperature, oxygen concentrations. So depends upon the classifications, microorganisms can able to classify based on the temperature, pH and salinity, extreme level tolerance category. So coming to the psychrophiles. So what is mean by psychrophiles? Psychrophiles it's a these organisms can able to survive in the low temperature. So the temperature range is minus 15 to 15 degrees Celsius. So that's why we are call it as cryophiles. Cryophiles means these organisms only survive in the minus 15 degrees Celsius. So these organisms mainly isolated from Arctic and Antarctic habitats. So these organisms mainly found in the iceberg, glaciers, snowfalls also. So even these organisms can able to survive in our refrigerator. So it can able to spoil the food also. So these are the some examples like Arthobacter species, Psychrobacter, Halomonas, Pseudomonas. So these are some example for psychrophiles. So come next firmicutes. So it's a gram positive spore forming bacteria. So these spores are survive in the dormant stages. So this group also example for extremophilic true bacteria. So this comes under the Eubacteria category. So these organisms play important role in the spoilage of beer, wine and cedar. So these organisms can able to spread available in the industry level. That's why these industrial products are spoiled under the these type of extremophilic organisms. So what are the example example means Helicobacterium species, Mycoplasma and Clostridium species. These are some example of extremophiles. So firmicutes families have the Bacillus stereothermophilus. This is the extremophiles. This is the one example. So DNA polymerase enzymes extracted from these enzymes, these organisms. That's why we are naming that enzymes like BST polymerase. BST polymerase means Bacillus stereothermophilus. So these enzymes mainly used in the DNA replications. So these enzymes replace the helicase enzyme activity. So what is the role of helicase enzymes in the DNA replications means, so the helicase enzymes mainly unwind the DNA strands. That's why we have to use these enzymes in the DNA replications. So this type of organisms mainly survived in 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. So above 85 degree temperature, so these conditions will become the inactivate stages. So next is the thermophiles. This is the one type of extremophiles category. So these words first derived from Greek. So the thermotita means it's a heat. Phyla is a love, so it's heat loving organisms. So these organisms can easily survive in the high temperature. So mostly Archaea family bacteria comes under this category. So the temperature range is 55 to 113 degrees Celsius. So mostly this type of organisms found in hydrothermal vents and hot springs. So the thermophiles organisms are mainly available in the regions. So they need extreme temperature. So it's very hard to study in our laboratory conditions. So also that some members can produce heat by themselves. So it can able to isolate from the garbage and landfill area. So Cynidium, Cladirium. So these are some example for thermophiles. So next Deinococcus thermus. It's a small group of eubacteria, so which can thrive environmental hazards. So this staining morphology look like a gram positive bacteria, but actually these cell walls have the gram negative structures. So this is the very heat resistant. These organisms can able to produce heat resistant enzymes. For example, DNA polymerase enzymes. So DNA polymerase enzymes extracted from Thermus aquaticus organisms. So these enzymes easily survive in the high temperature. So high temperature means above 100 degrees Celsius. Psychrophiles, thermophiles and extremophiles are comes under this category. So the different type of industrially important enzymes extracted from the extremophilic organisms. For example, DNA polymerase enzymes and BST enzymes. So these two different polymerase enzymes are extracted from Thermus aquaticus organisms. So these enzymes mainly used in PCR oriented experiment because these enzymes stable in the high temperature. So that's all.